Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup Peak Time with Julia. In today's video is just a mini unbox from Revolution. So this just arrived today. I just finished making this tutorial, and in the middle of the tutorial this arrived, and let's just rip it and see what we've got here. Here guys, firstly, I'll be working hard so far to be giving you guys something every week. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. The first thing here I have on this box is this eyeshadow palettes here. This one called Passion Palettes here. What do you guys think? Anyway, we're gonna give it a go. This is it was 12 pounds. Okay, it's Face Off holographic sparkle peel off face mask. I don't understand this. Either it should have something here or have something around it, in my opinion, but I will give it a go. I'll let you guys know. Skincare, although I'm not a huge fan of Revolution skincare concealer, my daughter showed me this on Instagram, said, oh, they have released a new concealer. I thought, you know what, I'll give it a go. This is the old one. After this one, they released another one. I didn't get that one. This one is matte, and the shade, this one is C10.5. I was in work when I got this. I couldn't remember my shade, so I got C12.7, so which is gonna be too dark for me to contour. To highlight under my eye. Look, but I believe I can use. I'll just go to town and get the right one for you guys. I can use this for as a foundation, I guess. This is the old one I have, and it was really good. So the new one is 16 hours wear. Well, anyway, we're gonna do a test. We're gonna do a wear test on this. So what I'm gonna do is, when I need to turn tomorrow, I'll pick my actual shade, which is this one for my under eye. I can use this one maybe to contour or as a foundation. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'll just keep it since it's 16 hours wear. The next thing I ordered was I'm running low on the mascara, so I pick up this mascara. That's what it's called, Coil Elevation. I've never tried their mascara before, so it makes sense for me to give it a go. This Coil Elevation. I think it's new, I guess. If you order 30 pounds, you will get this box. They said this worth 30 pounds. So everything there, it will be 30 pounds, and this one worth 30 pounds. So you will get this for free. So guys, let's open it and see what we've got here. Okay, first item I pull out is, okay, well, it's lipstick. I'm sure this is lipstick. This is the first one I pull out on a gift box. Yeah, obviously, but pink. Wow, that's one. Then two, look at the second stuff I got. Oh, this highlighter, will I ever use this? It's white as snow. I will be using it as eyeshadow instead of highlighter. There is no way. You know what? Let's just try. I don't want to ruin this makeup, but shall we give it a go? When it gets to your skin, change to like greenish, which I think I can get away with it. Green, and it's, oh, I think I'll use it anyway. Ooh, check you out. This is unusual. Oh, Oh, nice. Yeah, this is another thing called strobe highlighter flash. So I got that. Then more stuff. This one is what? Retro Loss metallic lip kit. Let's open it. Lip kit. Oh, lip liner, lip kit. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. I think this is cool. This is gorgeous. And the lip liner. Okay, so yeah, I also got this. Oh, what is this? Okay, travel friendly makeup palette. Ooh. There you go. Hi.
Oh.
So this, okay, Pure Glow. This will be highlighter. Oh, some of them are gray on my skin. Anyway, there you go. This is one. Last but not least, I guess, from the goodie bag. So there is another one here. Oh yes, Revolution. They released so many eyeshadow palette. They don't know which name they're gonna name their eyeshadow anymore. Hey, oops. Okay. Oh, got mirror. Well, the eyeshadow always have mirror. This no, I kind of miss them. You know, I haven't
used them in a while.
Yeah, look at what I've got here. So got this now.
That's a lot of shimmers though.
Yeah, it's only this row that is matte, and this very one here. The rest is all shimmer. I know they're really good at shimmer anyway. Even their matte, you know. So this dried down so quick compared to this one, isn't it?
Wait, let me see.
Yeah,
because it's 16 hours.
Yeah,
it has to.
Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, my skin.
Holy moly.
Yeah, this is not plain. Oh my days. And all the names are here. Yeah. This is what you have here, and this is the last one. So now you spend £30, you get this bag, and this is what I have inside. Yeah. No, it doesn't smell funny. Oh my days, Julia, look at this. Oh,
I can't see
you. It smells really nice.
I can't see you everywhere in that.
With good lip liner, I will be able to use it. Thank you so much, Revolution, for giving us this gift bag. I didn't expect two eyeshadow palette. I didn't expect this light highlighter. I don't know what I was getting anyway, but overall, I appreciate it. This highlighter though, it's giving me a different vibe. I will be using this highlighter, to be honest. The new stuff I got from Revolution and the gift stuff I got from Revolution, I thought I will show you guys. I will see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good night and God bless. Bye bye.